Your life has options. Option trading education. Just like life, the stock market is full of options. Learn more today.
Hello, this is Greg Tarpenning, and welcome back to Your Life Has Options. We have now completed the month of May 2026. I'm giving you the final scorecard on all of my positions, and we were able to hold at the 1.83% gain for the month of May, which is a fantastic return for a 30-day period. I want to kind of review a couple of things on the scorecard so you understand what's happening. As you scan across the top, you'll run into STO premium and BTC premium. BTC means buy to close. So I took the contract that I had that expired on 4/17, bought it back, and then the column that is STO, sell to open, I was able to resell it and generally get a gain because of the time value. So let's kind of go through each of the issues, and you can see how we did line by line. So the first one is Bank of America Corp., which I was able to buy back at $318 for the 200 shares and then resell it for $458, which resulted in a $140 gain. So not only do I get to keep the shares, I now have a strike price of $53 instead of the $52.50 I had last month. So I'm able to go up with the stock to kind of chase it up as long as I can make an adequate rate of return, which if you scan over to the net call premium, you'll see that the return on that issue was 1.35%, well within my target, which is, as you know, 0.75% per month. So almost we're getting close to doubling that, and so did that roll forward. PNC, same thing. Was able to buy it back. You see there's two different lines. I held it at two different prices. The one buy to close I got at $122 and the other at $551. And then was able to resell them and make a fairly substantial gain on that, about $764 between the two. Pfizer, PFE, is one I'm trying to work my way out of. So every once in a while, you're going to have something you wish you hadn't done. That was the case for Pfizer, so we're just having to write that down a little bit as we go, but not in this month. In this month, I was able to make 1.89% return on the premium, but it didn't go above the strike price, so I get to own it again for another month. Then we have Citigroup, which I was able to roll forward from a strike price of $123 to $125. In that particular case, we did exceptionally well, made $1,160 on that roll forward, 2.36%. So that was an exceptional return on that. Zions, I actually rolled forward from the $57.50 strike to $60 strike price. I took a loss of $184 on doing that forward, but I had the extra money and I can stage towards a capital gain in the future. Now that my strike price is $2.50 more, so that's $500 in future gain. So it was worth it to spend that extra money in my thinking. On some of those issues, PNC, which is Pennsylvania National, USB, US Bank, and of course FITB. I had dividends that were paid. Since I own the stock, I'm paid the dividends on them. So we got $826 in dividends for the month to go along with the net call premium of $21.51. All of this resulted in $2,977 in income on the call side, So that by itself was quite good. Also looking at the additional puts that I was able to play with the extra cash that I had left over, that I not in stocks that I own, but just cash in my trading account. Was able to do puts on Bank of America, another couple hundred shares, U.S. Bank, Morgan Stanley, which I thought was a value at $180, so was happy to take that. KDP, which is Dr. Pepper, seemed like also a good value at $25, and so far both of those seem to be true, as the issues have just simply gone up, and if that holds for the month of June, I'll just make the income on those. So Ally is a financial institution that I like. You see the last one on my list there. I think that one's due to go up, and I anticipate making a capital gain on that particular issue in addition to the income that I can make on that. So the total puts came to $13.55, and then the income, the interest earned on the cash that I had is the $3.46. So you see the total there is $4,678 in income for the month on about $260,000 in the portfolio. That's a fantastic return on that amount related to an income product. And so, as I noted before, made our 65th consecutive month in meeting my target rate of 0.75% per month, and basically more than doubling that, making the 1.83%. So that is our scorecard for the month. We're going to be doing some more educational things in short videos to hope that you'll get a better hang of it as we go. Thank you for following, and we'll be talking to you again soon.